In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Muhammad Abrar and today I am performing a small experiment on water pollution. So I have 5 glasses half filled with water and I will add these material things in each glass. I am adding red color in the first glass, orange color in the next glass. In the next glass, I am adding blue color. I am adding few quantity of bleach in my next glass. And the last glass is left with water. And now I will add fenugreek, which is also known as methi, into each glass. I have 5 methi plants and I am adding 1 plant in each glass. And so I will check the effect of water pollution on methi plants. After few hours, I noticed that some plants were declined and some changed their color, and the plant with water was fresh. So I concluded that water pollution badly affects the plants.